Good day, future leaders. I'm Jasmine Erica Tigaan.
I'm Dolores Tigaad, mother of Jasmine Erica Tigaad.
So now I will explain to you the types of errors in hypothesis testing and how to apply in real life. So what is the type 1 and the type 2 errors? What is the type 1 errors? The type 1 error is a rejecting the null hypothesis when it's true with probability denoted by alpha. What is the type 2 errors? The type 2 errors is accepting the null hypothesis when it falls with the probability denoted by beta. So, applying in real life situation. Example number 1. The students go in the principal office that had nothing to do with incident that cheating to the exam. So the HO, the students not guilty, and the HA, the students is guilty. The type 1 error is if you reject the truth HO. In the other words, the students did not cheat in the exam but was found that he do a cheating case in the exam, and he punished on that case that he did not to do. The type 2 error. The type 2 error is if fail to reject the truth HA. In the other words, the students cheat in the exam but was found that he did not cheat in the exam and was not punished in the that he do. Example number 2. A student make a case of bullying in their seatmate classmate. The HO, the students not guilty, and the HA, the students guilty. The type 1 error is if he reject the tell the truth HO. In the other word, a student did not make a bullying in their seatmate, but in the guidance office gives her a punishment on the student that he did not do a bullying. Type 2 error. The type 2 error is if fail the truth HA. In the other word, a student do a case of bullying in their seatmate, but in the guidance office did not give a punishment that he do the bullying in their seatmates. And the last, the example number 3 is you're in the classroom and you see your classmate try to get the things of your classmate without permission on her. The HO is telling the lie and the HA the telling the truth. The type 1 error is if he reject to tell the truth. In the other words, the student's lie is not trying to get the things without permission. Type 2 error. The type 2 error is if fail the truth HA. In the other word, the student said the truth that he tried to get the things on their classmate without permission on her. He said he is lying in their classmate. So now I want to ask you some question. What can you say about my explanation?
I can say that it is well explained and definitely something to understand.
The second is the topic useful and why?
Yes, the topic is useful for us, especially for the learning of each student, and it will also help how it can be used.